Good day my friend, on today's video I will show you the cordless drill DeWALT XR in 18 volts. When buying a DeWALT machine, what do we have? Well, first off, we've got a nice strong case, so it's nice. On the case, it tells you as well what's inside. So we see here the drill, the charger, the batteries, etc. What else? Here, you can place as well a name. For instance, this belongs to John or whatever, or you can place the name of the machine, whatever you want, in case you got several and you want to have easy access to what it is. This, if you want to place a lock, but really, I believe if someone wants to steal it, they just take the whole case and it's gone, okay? Now, you may wonder what this is for. This is in case you've got several of those boxes. So you stack them together and later you clip that and basically this become one block. So it's quite nice as well. So now let's open it and see what we have. Okay, so as every machine, paperwork, how to use it, etc. Okay. We've got here drill bits, these are for masonry. Here we've got the drill itself with the battery on, ready to be used, that's good. We've got an extra battery. We've got a charger. This is in case you want to clip it onto your pants, so you can be placed here or there, but I can't see the screw, not too sure why. Obviously the motor on this is brushless, so basically less problems that we will have in the future. If you want to check the power on the battery, we press this and it shows us some little light. I'm not too sure if you can see it here. So it's quite nice to know as well. To remove it, we press and we take it off. So if we want to charge the battery, very easy. We place the charger first on the sector, and here we got the light, so we know it's going through. Then we clipped it in. That's it. And there we go, it shows it's charging, so that's great. At any time anyway, you can press this and you will see the level, in case you're not sure if it's fully charged or not. I think something I like very much as well is that here, you see, for instance, we can clip it on the wall. There's a support, we put two screws and we have it clipped on the wall, or you can have it directly like that as well if you want. What else can I tell you about all this? Well, we've got a very convenient light as well. Okay, you see, as soon as we start drilling, up, you see we've got that light that's coming through, so it's very useful. We've got several speed, so speed 1, speed 2, double the speed. For drilling, for hammering, if we go into something stronger, and here are various speeds that we have, that we can select as well. Obviously we'll have, like any drill, the reverse, whatever. Something I like as well very much is that usually on common drill, what we do, we press something and then we tighten. This one doesn't have that. Basically we place whatever we want onto it and then simply by hand, can you hear? And it locked itself. That's great. I think it's a very cool function. It's very easy to unscrew as well. So that's what I like about it. So now what do I think about that machine? Well, look, for instance, it holds very, very well in the hand. Absolutely love it. It's quite lightweight too. It's just over a kilo, so it's very nice, very handy, beautiful. The thing is, I never wanted to buy one of those. I'm more like for the corded ones. Why? Is because I've seen so many videos of electric cars that burn down, electric buses, electric scooters, etc. They explode, boom, and game over. But anyway, I've bought that one, in fact, to help me on a wall that I've got, which is quite far away from my house, and obviously place a long extension cord will be a problem. So that's why I thought I would buy this. But I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. It's very, very nice. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna test it on something and see how it goes. Look what we have here. So I will use the bit that they've gave us with it. I'll place it on hammer and speed 2, and let's see how it goes. Now we will try it on wood. What we've got here is acacia, it's a hardwood. So I've changed the bits, and I place it on drill number 2, and we will see how it performs. Wow. This is it for today. I hope that you have liked that machine. I hope that you have liked how it performs. If you're not subscribed now to the channel, do so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.